Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Usahana. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top right and let's draw the flower. Let's first draw a heart on an angle. Now let's hop out and let's draw the flower petals. Let's add one on top and one going out on each side. Then let's finish off the flower with two bumps underneath. Now that we're done the flower, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve out and bring it all the way down. And then let's curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's hop over to the right side under the flower and let's draw a curve down and in. And then close off the head with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw an oval for the nose. And then two curves down and out underneath. Next, let's hop out and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it out. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop to the right side for the other ear. Let's start on top of the flower and curve it out. And then curve it back in underneath as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with a large curve down and back up. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the arms. Let's draw a curve out and back in on an angle. And the same on the other side. Now let's hop down to the bottom and draw the legs. In the center, let's draw two curves down. Then let's bring it in, meeting at the center. Now let's hop out and let's draw another set of lines down and curve it in. And close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for Usahana. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!